go. How to download Pycharm. Let's start. Okay, so don't download here as it is professional version and it will have limitation as you have to pay. So download Pycharm community version. That's one. Okay, just click on it and it will start to download. So I have downloaded. Here is it. So just run it. So it will take a little bit time. Just click on yes. Yes. Next. Okay, so here it asking which edition you want to download, so you can download it. Okay, so it's saying that will you like to uninstall previous version. I said okay. Next. So it will take time. Okay, so it installed the old version. Uninstall old version. So I pause the video here. Okay, now what you have to do, only click all these. Okay, and just click next. Okay, so here are the things which you will install. Okay, just click on install and here it's installed. Okay, so after installation complete, just click on finish. Okay.